Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, we will show you how to use LibGuides. LibGuides are guides on various subjects that are created by Vincennes University libraries and available on our website. They're updated with new resources when they become available. You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX. Once on our website, scroll down and click Subject Guides and Research Help. Here, you can browse the various guides or group them by subject, type, and by who created it. Each subject also has its own homepage that will show you only the guides and recommended resources for that subject. On the right side of the page, you also have links to our databases A to Z page, the library's catalog 1VU, our web chat, and also a list of our librarians who are available for research help. If you want to go back to the library website, click on Vincennes University Shake Library located directly below the banner. If you click on a subject guide, you will see that the page is broken down into multiple tabs. On the Book tab, the first thing you will notice is the 1VU search box. Underneath the search box, we have recommended print books as well as recommended ebooks on that subject. Hovering over any title will give you a brief description of what the book is about, and clicking the title will either take you to the item record in 1VU or directly to the ebook in a database. Make sure you're logged into VUX before clicking on any links to ebooks or online articles. Print books also list the book's call number so you can find it directly in Shake Library. On some guides, you'll see a tab labeled Books on Reserve next to the print books. These are books like textbooks that professors have asked Shake Library to keep at the information desk that are used in their specific classes. To learn more about these reserved books, watch our video, Course Reserves. Below the print books is a list of useful call numbers. And to the right, we have links to related guides, contact information for the librarian who created the guide, as well as our web chat. The Online Resources tab gives you a brief list of recommended websites and databases for that specific subject, and clicking the links will take you directly to the website or database. Databases A to Z will take you to the full list of databases we have for you to use. Each database includes a brief description, and they are listed alphabetically. You can learn more about our databases by watching our video, Searching Databases. Back on the subject guide, on the Journals tab, you will find a link to the Journals A to Z page, as well as a list of recommended print and online journals. Just like with the books, print journals will take you to the catalog, and e-journals will take you directly to the journal. Research, Writing, and Citations tab contains links to resources that can help you get started on your research, as well as guides with tips and tricks for writing papers in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and OpenOffice. There's also a list of links for citation guides available on websites such as Purdue OWL. The More Help tab contains links to other resources both in the LRC and across campus that can assist you with your research. There is also a list of all of Shake Library's videos. In the drop-down menu located on the More Help tab, you'll find a link to our Databases Help page. This page gives you a list of links to guides and videos that database providers have created to help you use their specific database. We also have a page dedicated to library terms, which give a brief explanation of the terms that you may not be familiar with in the library. If you want to learn more about Shake Library and the services we offer, you can watch some of our other videos, like reserving study rooms or evaluating resources. These videos are located on our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.